So you want the app to pull data from YouTube, analyze videos, or get insights from any channel? It all starts with one simple but essential step: getting the YouTube API key. Firstly, you need to sign in to the Google Cloud Developer Console at this URL, console.cloud.google.com. And in the current project, here my project is YouTube API Code Java. Then click APIs and Service Access link under the Quick Access section here. To check if the YouTube Data API is enabled or not, you can look for YouTube Data API in the list here. If don't see, you can click the link Enable APIs and Services here. Alright, then in the list below here you can see YouTube Data API v3. Click to enable it. Click Enable button here. To enable YouTube Data API version 3, it is an API that provides access to YouTube data such as videos, playlists, and channels. Okay, now the YouTube Data API v3 is now enabled for my current project. And to create a new API key, click Credentials section here. Alright, no API key is now. Click the link Create Essential. Click Create Credentials link here and choose API key. Give a meaningful name for the API key. For example, my first YouTube API key. And then under API restrictions here, you need to filter to have this API key working with YouTube Data API v3 only. Check YouTube Data API v3 here and click OK. Done. And in the application restrictions, depending on your need, you can restrict to only website, Android apps, iOS apps, or none. To have no restrictions of using this API key in the application integration. Okay, well then click the button Create here to let Google Cloud start creating your YouTube API key. Done. API key created, and this is your API key. Now you can copy and paste this API key into the application. Copy. Okay. Then you can see the newly created YouTube API key appears here. If you forgot the key, you can click the link Show key here to see the value of the API key again and copy into the application. And this here bonus, let me test the simple Java console program that will use the YouTube Data API in order to get statistics about a specific YouTube channel. So this is a command to run the console application, and I need to enter the ID of the channel I want to add inside. Hit enter, and then you see it fetching channel statistic by calling the YouTube API thanks to the API key we created so far. And this is the channel information such as name, total views, total subscribers, videos published, channel created date. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.